Hey, welcome back to my channel, and this is your girl Eve here again. As you know, it is summer and we all want that natural glow. Today I'm going to show you a scrub which will improve your skin texture and complexion. It will give you that natural glow. Without wasting time, let's just get started. So I will get a bowl and come in with some white sugar. Next, I will come in with my turmeric oil. If you don't know how to make this oil, check out the description box, the link is over there. I will give it a very good mix. And I will come in with a drop of my rose essential oil. I'll give it the final mix and our scrub is ready. When you get into the shower, after you've taken your shower with your soap and everything, just take a little amount and scrub your body with this. This is for your body, not for your face. Just scrub from your chest, your arms, your whole body, your thighs, your legs, your feet, every part of your body. Then rinse it off with lukewarm water. And decide to put on your favorite skin lotion, or you can decide not to. This is not going to dry out your skin. It will make your skin baby soft. It will make it smoother and add some elasticity to it. Turmeric oil, as you all know, is great for your body's complexion. It helps get rid of blemishes and it brightens up your skin. Who doesn't want a blemish-free, even-toned skin? Well, I do. So if you do too, go ahead and give this simple recipe a try. If you do, let me know how it comes out for you. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.